Hello and welcome there, guys. My name is Matt from Jazzco Consulting, and today we're going to be doing a Microsoft Teams video, and this one is going to be on lists as an app. So to get the lists app, you can get the three dots down here and just type in lists, and then you can add it to whatever team you like. I've added it to my marketing chat, and then to get it in the marketing chat, just click on the little plus and find your lists icon. So after you downloaded that, it'll come up with a page looking like this. And we've got two options. We can either create a new list or we can add an existing list. So this list, the existing list just means that we can add one from like a template we've done previously, which is pretty simple, but it'll just save all your columns, which I will explain about later, but we'll get rid of all the content. So we'll create a new list today, just so I can show you for the video. You can either do a blank one from Excel, or you've got the option there for the existing list. In Microsoft Teams, it actually has a lot of different templates. So I'll just run through a couple of them as examples. So the issue tracker, this one, we've got things that are high priority. We've got the issue, a little description, what's going on with it. We might have one for an asset manager. This might be handy for an IT company where they've got the device, what it's called, and who it's available to, that sort of thing. Recruitment trackers, we've got work progress trackers, some pretty cool. Incident reports, even loans. So many different industries, you can use all these different ones, or of course you can make your own. Today we're going to be looking at a content scheduler though, and what I'll do is I'll click use the template. So this one's going to be a LinkedIn content scheduler. This is just going to be about our posts. We'll say it's just that. And we'll use the LinkedIn color and choose any icon. We'll do the little calendar there and create. So then it will create it up here. We've got the LinkedIn content schedule. Pretty cool. And this is the sort of view it has. So it's got a lot of different columns up here. We can look at, but what I'll do is I'll show you by adding a new item. So we just click on the plus here, new item. This will come up and the content title. So let's just have this as our LinkedIn banner. So the draft is going to be due tomorrow at 9 a.m. Let's do that. And we can add the image here. If we just click on here, it'll come up with this. We can use this post. This is a Facebook post, but that's fine. We can add the files of content. So maybe we might have a Word document with what we want to post as the text. So we can attach that. Little description. So we can the banner previously spoken about or something. Cool. And the publish date is when we actually want to post it. So maybe on the 31st, we'll post that at 9 a.m. So click that. So meaning the draft's due the day before, publish date is the next day. We can have the link if we'd like, and we can update the status to the draft needs approval, because we'll do that. And the content type is a social media post. So cool. We can click tick there. Then what we do is we click save. And that's going to come up nice and simply here. And this little three dots just means that it's new. So as we can see along here, we've got all that information we've just added in is all the way along there, which is very nice and easily put out. But what I want to do is I want to add a column. So we'll click add. We've got single line of text. You might have yes, no, numbers, anything like that. But we're going to add a person. So this is going to be called team member. And we'll just click save. So now we've got an extra column in there called team member, which you can just see up here. And we'll go to the three dots and we can go edit. And now that we've added that extra column, the team member section comes up here. So what we want to do is we want to say that Helen is doing this piece of work. So she's part of this team, and I've added her to this. And now if I click save, it will come up with her on here across the top as that being scheduled to her. So now Helen is doing that piece of work, and we can see that as the team member. Okay, so the next section we're going to be looking at is in the edit section once more. There's many different views. You can look at a grid view, which makes it just a slight bit easier to read, but this overall view is pretty easy anyway. We can also export it to Excel or SharePoint. And then these ones are just filters, just to read the information a bit more easy. We can do it by status, group by status. So maybe we might have, drafts that need approval. We might have one that says published, all that sort of thing. But let's go to the three dots, edit once more. And the next cool feature I want to show you is actually a conversation. So what we do is we can click on the conversation tab here, and a little tab pops up. Now we can start a conversation in regards to this banner. So this is just going to show for this banner, and we want to say timing needs approval or something along those lines, and click on that, and then that'll pop up in here, and it will just say about the LinkedIn banner, the timing needs approval. Disregard my bad spelling. And what I'll do is I'm going to @ Helen just to make sure that she receives this information and knowledge. So we might maybe say we want to change the time, push it back a little bit, something along those lines. And now then she can reply, and we can have a little conversation just regarding this specific piece of work in this little in the little text channel here, which is very, very cool. Now let's just say if we wanted to actually go a bit further, we want to have a quick meeting, we can do this as well. Obviously, meet now or schedule a meeting. Just makes it nice and efficient and productive for the list. So we'll close that, finish with that. We can just click save. We're happy as Larry, and that's it. So obviously, you want to add a new item, just click on new item. We can copy the links, all that sort of thing, and send it to someone. But yeah, that's about it for the Lists app, especially with the Content Planner one. But yeah, feel free to check it out for yourselves, guys. It's very easy, simple to use. Obviously, you can get your whole team using this. It can help your organization plan things a lot better. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Bye.